Masi ne kwacha ne wewe kiko kimo kiko ni womo ndi kwacha ko yakala wani mbone ukamba makuweni
yes
na mondo me omane otukikie ni waye muka na kwa kumutemanga na kibanga
yes.
Na asyoke yuwa
yes
woni wakuta mundu ni mo Masi
okay woni wakwata mundu ndi ujaji mwanonso nye niona izuri hiyo option yake ya moja anabi ne gia bi ne gali ko kutani but lesson ni watu wangwata ni tawo padla tu mujaji nenda tu kitosome somo isomo nati machukwa wingi maikwenda kuona nya weakness ile woga weje otevi wangu yimanisha hawe muthoku kana no abaluka no andu mama ne kufail ni normal mistake ni normal with the marriage yete waka it's normal divorce it's normal twigi with the twi judge sindu in that nyene utia monetia jebetitia kwa ndo mase ni mbuku no kindu cha imani cha ima twi real na maisha kindi kibetitia kina na marriage yako ina thina tabia ndo makutethesi atibia ndo moto na mtu ano wambe nuka kwenu divorce is not a big deal nowadays I think kegani to normalize sindu imwe bizo with that kwa kutani what the better thing as we can do as a society twete kilema weakness twete kilei ulijuana na wana twetikile undu kwa na mundu kweyowa andu meyo wani kutha nime ukia judgment andu meyo wani wia andu meyo wani kutha mundu eko na umalaba na weakness andu membosa nai najua aibineka aisobika mwisho kabisa na aiza kweka siko tai so the best thing ebe undu wende thino athayo wako it's your tell na itikila mistake normal na kila mundu on the no yo the two nena opandu wiselete everybody is going through something so you need to normalize with your 2 week to normalize with your we are going through at time na tuitethanya